What's the point of chronographing if I have to shoot you in the back?
Because shooting in the back it just makes it, especially with the like triple shots.
Actually, there's one open up there.
Your shot, you can't shoot.
There they go! Hit there! Hit!
Oh, that was the best guy.
Hit, Megan!
Review of Breacher in this first game.
It has 6 tags.
It has 6
It
tags.
did good.
Good. And it hit him in the head, right? Yeah? Okay, good. Yeah, hey.
All right, it's time to get silly, folks, with the one, the only. Who are you, and what is this?
My name is Silly Butts, and these are my blasters.
What do we have here today? Because this is not what we had last year.
Right, so, since last year, I have been working on silly shell blasters a lot. One of the major things that people really wanted is a tube-fed shotgun. So, we've got a tube-fed shotgun.
Who is this? What is this? What is its deal?
The name of this is Breacher.
Oh, look at that.
And it is a tube-fed shotgun.
Meaty blaster.
So, you can load it up.
Of course, Captain comes and checks it out.
Yes. You can load it up.
Now,
the thing is, this is like the second prototype, so sometimes it's still jamming up the lifter, but it's not released yet, so it's fine. So, like that. Just stick that back in, then it's good.
Oh, my gorgeous, fabulous. That is, uh-oh, you're putting it in the captain's hands. Hold on.
Does it come in left-handed?
Load it up, Shaylo.
It could, you just gotta mirror all the parts.
Yeah.
That one's loaded if you want to shoot it.
Slam it forwards when you yeah, there you go. So it actually latches over the shell.
Very cool.